Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is wooden logo mockup for Photoshop, but these are protected password in this app. Here is my Facebook page, join me and join me on Telegram channel. Okay, would craft your logo, and here is a wall logo. For example, open this. I know you can do easily, just need your logo here. I write any name, for example Sheri SK black. Control S, and you see our name is here. Now keep layers. You can import logo like this one and press Ctrl S for saving. Okay, next is here is a preview. You can import one by one. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. This says take care. Allah Hafiz.